Hey everyone, welcome back. So, you've probably seen ads for Gluco Force Drops, a liquid supplement claiming to help with blood sugar control. But does it actually work or is it just another internet scam in a bottle? Let's break it down. But before we begin, quick disclaimer everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, Glucoforce is marketed as a natural solution to help regulate blood sugar. It's sold online like on Amazon and includes ingredients like herbs and minerals that are said to support glucose levels. However, the product has a very limited real customer reviews online, and as of now, there are no Trustpilot reviews. That's a little concerning, especially since it's being pushed so hard with bold claims. There's also no clear info on who the company is behind it, and the product hasn't been FDA evaluated, which is pretty normal for supplements, but still something to keep in mind. For the final verdict, Glucoforce drops might not be a straight up scam, but it's definitely lacking proof. Without strong customer reviews or clinical backing, it's hard to fully trust the hype. If you're thinking about it, talk to a doctor first and look into better known options. Try Glucoforce yourself. Let us know how it went in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest supplement reviews.